Hey everybody, Rachel here. Let's talk tacos. Who doesn't love a good taco? They are yummy and fun to eat. Today we're making chicken tacos. These tacos are super juicy and full of flavor. The best part? You can make them in under 30 minutes. Get ready for a fiesta in your kitchen. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. We need some yummy chicken. You can use chicken thighs or breasts, whatever you like best. We also need some spices to make our chicken sing. We'll use olive oil, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Don't forget the lime juice for a little zing. Of course, we need tortillas, corn or flour, you choose. Finally, grab some toppings. Lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, guacamole, and salsa are all great choices. Now let's make that chicken amazing. First, rub the chicken with olive oil, then sprinkle on those spices. Use your hands to rub them in real good. Now let's cook that chicken. You can grill it, bake it, or pan fry it. Cook it until it's golden brown and no longer pink inside. Section 4. Building your taco dream. Our chicken is ready. Let it rest for a few minutes. Then slice it or shred it. Now let's warm up our tortillas. You can warm them in a skillet or over an open flame, just until they are soft and a little crispy. Now comes the fun part, building our tacos. Place some chicken on a tortilla, then add your favorite toppings. Go crazy! Section 5. Taco. Time again. There you have it. Juicy, flavorful chicken tacos ready to eat. Each bite is a burst of flavor. The best part is you can customize them however you like. Add more spice, different toppings. It's up to you.